on, boys. This is before. It's gonna be the tip. That's a straight pipe. Take out the cat.
It's so quiet, man. You guys
Plan is this straight pipe and this big old 5-inch catback tip. Slap her in there. It's gonna be like, place this. It's gonna go in more though, so it's not gonna be like that, but it's gonna be like a little bit more in the back, that way it pops out just like that. Alright, that's the first pipe. Pretty sturdy. Get a jack stand, like hold it up like that before you bolt it on. Now, the hard part is gonna be seeing the size of this. Hopefully the other pipe is long enough to reach, but I doubt it. I don't like this one because look at this gap right here, dude. It's kind of, might be an exhaust leak. Might have a small exhaust leak. We could always put some shit over here. We got a bunch of shit for that. But I'm gonna get the other pipe, see, I'll cut this bitch off. Fucking big ass box. Hopefully I can run it down to there, but I doubt it. It's gonna be a bitch. Got the big box out. That pipe. Place it like that. Look at that. Gosh, dude. Might use that. Might have to use that, but useless. These are useless. I have to see how to do that, but she's sure gonna sound a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. That's a clean ass setup. Just right here behind the axle. Yeah, right. Need to get another pipe, run that bitch like that, and then we could do that. But I don't think I'm gonna do a dump. I'll do a side. But sheesh. Actually looks clean. Well, we're gonna keep it like that. I gotta go to the muffler shop. Because, yeah, bring it back down here. Just have an exit.